I want to start investing in cryptocurrency, but I don't even know what that means. Take a chill pill because in this video, we will teach you how to become a crypto dummy to a crypto intelligent. Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Intel. In this video, we will talk about what is cryptocurrency, why is it important, and what are the risks that you might encounter on this platform. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. Don't we all like to do what is easy, what is trending? Of course, that is the most exciting ship to jump on. This is also the initial connotation of people who hear about cryptocurrency, especially when they see how much one is getting from this exchange platform. But do you even know the course this ship is taking you? For starters, cryptocurrency or crypto has been one of the most talked about means of circulating your money all around the world right now. It lets you buy goods and services or trade them for profit. It is digital, encrypted, and decentralized. There is no central monetary authority. It's not operated by the government or bank that manages and maintains its value. It's widely distributed among cryptocurrency's users via the World Wide Web. So it's a peer-to-peer transaction, but virtual. Since this currency is purely virtual, there's no limit to how many cryptocurrency can exist, unlike physical money. For example, Bitcoin. I bet you have heard of this a lot. The limit for Bitcoin units is set to $21 million. When the limit is reached, no more Bitcoin will be produced. But just like online bank transfers, you can easily verify the transfer of your funds. So why is everyone going crazy about cryptocurrency? Transactions has little to no costs. If you're used to transferring money from your digital wallet to your bank account and vice versa, you already know that there's a certain fee for each transaction you make. You will have to lose an amount of money, which beats the purpose of convenience in moving your money from one payment method to another. But with cryptocurrency, less to no fees, no exchange rates, no interest rates, highly convenient. You can access your money anytime. You can also purchase and withdraw as much as you want, unlike with banks that give a certain amount limit when you purchase and withdraw. Even if you have $1 million in your bank account, with cryptocurrency, there's no limit to it. It's your money, use it the way you want to. Anyone can use it without any hassle. If you want to create your own account but are too busy to do it, don't worry. There is not much paperwork or documentation needed, unlike when you want to set up your own bank account. Last but not the least, international transactions are faster than lightning. Okay, maybe that's an over-exaggeration, but comparing it with doing a wire transfer that takes half a day to 5 business days to transfer the money, cryptocurrency international transactions only take a few minutes or even seconds. Is it even safe to use cryptocurrency? Good question. Cryptocurrency uses a method called cryptography that secures communication from malicious third parties that either want to steal your data or pry into your conversations. For a lot of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, they use a blockchain. Blockchain is a secured public record of the transactions of cryptocurrency tokens. It is a type of secured ledger for all cryptocurrency transactions. Think of it as a checkbook for your bank, except it is distributed as one spreadsheet across countless computers around the world. The blockchain stores all transactions of all the people in the world who use the cryptocurrency. So every time you pay for something using a Bitcoin, that transaction will be recorded as a block that has data such as who is paid, how much is paid, hash, the unique identifier of the transaction, previous hash, which is the unique identifier of the last transaction that was recorded. So each time a transaction is made, another block will be made, and it will form a continuous chain. I hope you can already see where we are heading at. Remember, we are talking about how secure cryptocurrency is with blockchain. Alright, as I was saying, Since there are unique identifiers for each transaction and each block still records the hash of the previous transaction, a malicious third party may be able to tamper a certain block's hash, but they won't be able to tamper the next block and the rest of the blocks. The hash won't match, it will not be recognized, become invalid, and they won't be able to hack your money at all. Unless they are able to hack millions of blockchain, then sure, but God knows how many blocks there are in a blockchain. It might take the hacker forever. This is also one of the reasons why a lot of people have considered investing in cryptocurrency. As good as it sounds, there are also risks and downsides that come along with it. Cryptocurrency can be very volatile and it's highly speculative. Really, it's more of a gamble than it is an investment. Although you can buy goods and services with cryptocurrency, it's still not accepted as a form of payment in most places. And finally, as secure as the system of a blockchain in cryptocurrency sounds, because this is not operated by banks nor the government, no one is policing or regulating the transactions here. So you will still need to rely on the strength of a security systems of your own computer so that you can keep the cryptocurrencies you bought away from thieves. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is for the risk takers and optimistic people. If you are one of them but want to learn more about cryptocurrency, hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. See you in our next video.